Welcome to the next lesson. If you found this playlist, be sure you start with Lesson 0, an introduction to MetaTrader 4. In this lesson, we'll be looking at the main menu bar, specifically the View tab. During lesson construction, we noticed that it was becoming increasingly detailed as we move through each submenu. That being the case, we're only going to cover the top-level menu choices and create additional lessons for lower-level menus. Under the View tab, you can find additional platform, administrative, and chart functions. The first option is Languages, where you can choose whatever native language suits you best. In Blueberry Marketing's version, you can find 38 languages. If your version of MT4 has a different amount, post it in the comments. We're curious to see if it has anything to do with which broker is using MT4. The Toolbars tab is where you'll find all the necessary tools for chart work, and this is where you'll find them. There are 5 submenus: Standard, Charts, Line Studies, Timeframes, and Customize. We're going to create separate lessons for each one of them due to the amount of information they contain. The Status Bar option toggles the bar at the bottom of your screen where various information is located, including which profile you're currently looking at. At the moment is the default profile. Then we have the date and time of wherever your cursor is currently located on a chart. Next is the open price of whatever your cursor is hovering over. Then the high price of whatever your cursor is hovering over. After that, the low price of where your cursor is. And then the close price. And finally, the volume of that current period. The last position is occupied by the connectivity status of your platform to the broker's server. Next, we have the Charts bar where you can view or hide whatever charts you currently have open on the platform. The symbol icon is next, which opens a new symbols window where you can see which symbols are available on your platform and given the opportunity to hide or display them. We'll have a separate lesson on this as well. The Market Watch opens the window displaying whichever markets you currently have for available viewing. The Tick Chart opens another window where you can see both the buy and sell prices of your chosen market on a tick-by-tick level. The Data window icon opens up the window itself where you can view the various metrics of price and indicators information. We're going to have a separate lesson on this as well. The Navigator opens up the window which lists your accounts and whatever indicators, expert advisors, and scripts you have available on the platform. The next choice down is the Terminal option. With the wealth of information, you can toggle between multiple tabs, including account balance information, trade history, and a myriad of online resources as discussed in Lesson 1. Up next is the Strategy Tester, where you can run a multitude of testing parameters on both indicators and expert advisors. We created a how-to video for VP, which is available on his YouTube channel. We included a link to that video in this video's description for your convenience. The second to last menu choice is Chats, which opens up the MQL5 portal to access a world of resources for the inquisitive trader. And last but not least is Full Screen, which removes all of the toolbars, system windows, and other informative bars to leave just the chart in all of its glory. As mentioned, the View tab is chock full of features. In the next lesson, we'll be drilling down on the Standard toolbar, more of the goodies this platform has to offer. Our only goal is to make you a better trader.